Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to design a simple steel ladders, or you can say industrial ladder. See, with the help of Weldments command. Many viewers ask me to do some tutorial about Weldments, so this is for them. Here we will design each and every part with the help of Weldment command. So let's see how to do this one. If you can hide this one, let's hide this one also. So that's our simple ladder. So let's see how to do in SolidWorks. Now here let's start to create our industrial ladder, or you can say steel ladder. So let's start with right plane sketch, and here we will make one sketch. So choose here plane, a line, a horizontal, exit. Now select this bottom line and choose as a construction line. Let's choose dimension 1700 millimeter long, and this one 900 millimeter, and let's define this angle 30 degree. Now you can see the geometry is fully defined. So simply exit, and we want to go to Weldments. So right click in command manager and here choose Weldments. Go to Weldments. First choose Weldments. Once you choose Weldment, you will enter the environment of Weldments. Now let's select this structural member. Here you have to choose your standard, so I'll go for ISO standard, and we will choose here rectangle tube, and size, this is the maximum 120 by 80. Here you can add your custom made also. I made already a video for custom, how to create your own custom made profile. So I'll choose this bigger one, 120 by 80 millimeter thick. Select here group. So I'll choose first this group and this one. So this all is one group. Just a little tilt, and see it is not we need to change this degree. At the bottom you will find here rotation angle, so make 90 degree. Now see, select here locate profile. Here you will see that many number of star points. Now we are able to choose any one, so I'll choose this upper one, and you can see my cursor mid one. Now see, so our line and profile is laying in between this line and face. See, now select OK. Now see, this is our profile. Let's go to appearance, and you will find here solid red. I'll choose this color because it looks better. Now we want to mirror this one, so we will create one plane here. Choose right plane, go to feature command, geometry, plane, and create one plane 250 millimeter, flip reverse direction. Okay. Now choose here mirror, and body to mirror, select this two body because here two bodies. Okay. Now hide this plane. Now we want to connect it from top, so how we will do it? Just select top face sketch, take the normal, and here we will connect by a line, connect from center to center. Choose here center point, and here also exit. That's it. Now this one we will connect it in a very easy way. Exit, go to Weldments, choose here structural member, ISO standard rectangle tube, and the same size. We will select one line first. I'll choose this one first. Now check the position is not perfect, so we need to change it. Degree is perfect, we want this vertical, but choose here location. I'll choose the outer corner. See, that's fine. Now see, we choose this outer one, so that's why it is in perfect position. Now select here new group, because this one is another. If I'll choose this one also, it will also select like this, but the position here is different. So I'll choose new group, select the line. Now see why I choose different group, because the position of this line in different way to another one. So go to locate profile, and here also select this time this outer. That's it. Now it is located in perfect position. Okay, you can hide this. Now here the big problem is it is overlapped. You can see this one is overlapped with this one, so there is one command we can trim this one. So how we will do this one? Just go to weldment, choose here trim and extend. Now it is asking you here trim ends. We want to trim the ends. Bodies to be trimmed. Which body we want to trim it? So this two body we want to trim it. See here we selected, and from which body we want to trim. So select these two bodies. These two bodies we will trim with these bodies, and at the end you will find allow extension. Here two types of extension. After cutting it will straight, see, simple cut, and this one is a cup cut, means it will cover. Select OK. Now see it is single body. Now see this is the straight one. So this is the what we cut here. Now here we want to create some ladder, so let's choose this face, sketch, normal, select here line, draw a horizontal line, make sure click horizontal, that's fine, and draw one more line, center line, from this point to this point and connect with this point. Exit, select this line, construction line, make relation vertical. Let's define it. 340 millimeter. Okay, this was by default it's 170 millimeter. That's fine. Now it's time to extend. So here we will use some sheet metal command to make the ladder foot pedal. So go to sheet metal and select here base flanged. Now see here, select up to surface and select the opposite member surface. I'll choose this surface. Now you can see the thickness it took by default 5 millimeter. It's sufficient for us, no need to change anything. Radius also by default, and K factor it all by default, so we don't want to change anything here. Select OK. That's fine. Now this ladder we will change this ladder. Okay, now here we will make some steps. So sheet metal, and here you will find flange edge. Let's choose any one edge. So I'll choose the bottom edge. Go down 90 degree, blind 50 millimeter. We want 50 millimeter length, and here choose material inside. Okay, material inside. Now here you can see after bending it, the material goes inside. Select OK. Again choose flange edge, select upper one, drag upside 50 millimeter, 90 degree, radius by default, material inside. Okay, this two change the color. Actually we should change the color at the end, so then it saves our lots of time. Now here we will add some support, angle support in below this sheet metal part, or below this paddle. So select this face, sketch, circle, and let's draw a circle from anywhere from here up to here. Exit. Now choose smart dimension and define the distance 65 millimeter. It should be inside the make it 80 millimeter. Okay, now go to weldments, structural member. Here choose ISO and here choose angle, iron angle, and size let's say 25 by 25, and select group. Now we need to change the position 90 degree. Select OK. The whole angle. Now edit sketch and this 110 millimeter, exit. Now that's fine because it's okay. This is small one is better. Now let's mirror this one to opposite direction. We already created one plane, plane 2. Now you can see it here. Go to feature and choose mirror and select the body. So here choose angle. Now you can see the preview here. Okay, now it's time to make multiple number of parts with the help of linear pattern command. Select this edge 340 millimeter. Select here bodies 1, 2. We have 3 bodies here. 3. Foot, ladder, and angle support, and make 4 number of patterns so it looks better. Okay, now it's created here perfectly. We can hide some lines. I don't like this color. Now select this face, sketch, and we want to trim it. We want to make a flat, so choose here corner rectangle and select this mid origin point and drag. Make sure it is outside the more than the rectangle tube. Select extruded cut. Keep end condition through all. See, that's it. Now it looks sharp. Now select this back surface sketch, normal. Now here we want to create one, choose corner rectangle, select the corner sharp edge, let's define it 4080, keep the length 2900 millimeter. Okay, now select full geometry and choose here for construction. No, select all the lines and choose here for construction purpose. That's fine. Exit. Now here we want to create one plane, so let's choose first any top plane and select this line, make parallel. See, it's parallel to top plane. Okay, now select this top plane, sketch, normal, choose here corner rectangle, select this end point, select for construction purpose. Okay, 900 by 900 millimeter. Okay, exit. Now you can hide this plane. Now it's time to, we want to draw one more ladder here, so first we need to connect this one. So let's choose here 3D sketch, select here line. First we will convert this one up to this face, this face, this face and this face. Now it is already a ladder predefined path, so it's not much difficult for us. Now it's time, escape, we need to connect. So select this end to this end, to this end and this end, exit. Now see, let's hide this background. Okay, and hide this one also. Now you can see our 3D sketch. Now exit. Now here let's go to weldment, choose here a structural member, ISO standard rectangle tube 120 by 80 millimeter and 8 millimeter thick. Now let's choose our first group. Let's keep our first group. This is structural member. We want to keep this one first, because if we will not keep this one first, the position we will not get the perfect. So let's make it 90 degree, select location, this corner, see here, select group 2. In group 2 choose this upper 1 2 3 4 5. Let's check the angle. Angle is perfect, only we need to choose the location. Now once you choose the location, it will show you a profile. So select this corner. Now see, it adjusted to this corner. Now let's see how it mattes here, matte here. Okay, that's fine, it going to matte here. Come up and select here new group and select the third group, this one. Now here also we need to change the location, so come down, choose here locate profile and select this corner. Now see, it's going to adjust in perfect way. Select OK. That's it. Now see, so this is the our, just hide this 3D sketch. Now for supporting our structure, our ladder, we will create one wall here. Select this face, sketch, corner rectangle. Start from this end. Let's define this angle 4080 2990. Select here extrude and extrude this wall 150 millimeter. Okay. Now select this wall, go to organic or stone, paving, stoneware, brick. Let's make some brick wall to this. That's fine. It's we selected here a brick wall. No, that's the previous one is undo. This wall is better. Now let's choose sketch, normal, corner rectangle. We are going to make a floor. $4080. Extrude 10 millimeter. Now let's define some architectural work to this stoneware. I choose paving. Light concrete, that's fine. Select this face, sketch, normal. Now here we will make a paddle rest. Select this corner up to here and connect with this. Exit. Select this vertical line, make relation vertical and select here for construction. Okay. Now select this one also for construction. Okay. This one already horizontal. Let's define the angle. Length keep 190 millimeter. That's fine. Now go to sheet metal and choose base flange. Here choose end condition up to surface and select the opposite surface. Now you can see the preview of thickness. It's selected by default and everything by default. That's fine. For ladder, select here flange edge, select bottom edge, blind 50 millimeter. 90 degree. Okay, again choose edge flange, select this upper edge, take upward direction 50 millimeter, 90 degree, everything same. Now it's time to make multiple number of footstep. So choose here, go to feature and select linear pattern, and here select any one edge. Okay, let's choose this one, 282 millimeter, and let's choose body, select this body, make multiple number of patterns, whatever possible to fit in this ladder. Okay, that's it. See, we fixed our ladder here. Now look how our ladder looks. Hide. Now select this bottom face, sketch corner rectangle, draw one rectangle, exit. Distance from outer edge, keep 40 millimeter, 40 millimeter here also. $40mm already here, and let's define this one. Difficult to choose actually outer one. Okay, 40mm. Now here we selected. Now make all lines construction line, not the real line. Now choose here in your left hand side at the bottom for construction purpose. Okay, now exit, choose here 3D sketch line, select first this point, press tab key, exit, cancel it, again choose and select this point, and according to arrow, go according to arrow, vertical arrow, exit. Now here we selected. Now let's choose again, select this point, and I'll go to according to arrow, exit. According to arrow it will go down, so let's go with that. Here also exit line, and the last one, exit. Now do one thing, select all the lines, hold shift key, and make relation equal. Okay, choose smart dimension. Now it's time to define the length, 710 millimeter. This is the actual length we need. exit. Now this line for the support and tube support. Now select this face, sketch, normal. Now let's make here plate. So select this corner to this corner and extrude. Keep thickness 5 millimeter. Okay. And this one, let's make it solid color. That's now the same thing we will do it here. Sketch corner rectangle. Now let's define this one. $40mm. By default 40mm. $40mm. And this one I think it's already okay. So here we define the geometry, extrude 5mm thickness, okay, and yellow color. That's it. Now this is the ladder support roof sheet. Do one thing, let's save this drawing. If otherwise if we lost the data, then it's quite difficult. Industrial ladder. Or you can say steel ladder also. Save. Now let's create here supports by rectangle tube support here. So let's choose structural member, ISO standard rectangle tube 180 by 120 by 80 millimeter, and choose here first group. So in first group we will choose this backside two supports. Just locate it and select this backside star point so that it will not touch the wall. You can see the gap here. Now let's choose the group number 2. Create new group and select these two. And this one also we need to select, relocate, and select this star, outer one. Select OK. Now that's it. Now hide. Okay, hide this is also. Now we will make the support to the other end. So let's first do one thing. Base, click and show, because we hide it our base. So now from here to here we will connect it. So it's simple. Go to or use directly 3D sketch. First select center line, take back and choose here any midpoint. That's it. And midpoint to opposite That's it. Exit. Now here we created midpoint. Now let's choose line. Select exit. Now see, it's going down. We will later assign some dimensions. The same way we have to do it for this. Exit. Always follow the arrow direction, otherwise it will be destructed your place. Now let's make one relation. Select both the lines here and choose equal. Smart dimension. Keep the length 200. It is according to our calculation 260 millimeter. Okay. I hope it's going to touch the wall. I think it's not going to touch the wall. $2,800. I think we missed some calculation, that's why. Okay, let's reduce 20 millimeter only. 2780. That's fine, it's perfectly matched here. Select here line and choose any midpoint. You will find here OK. Press tab key. Now it's changed the direction up to this point. Exit. Exit. Structural member. ISO. Keep ISO standard rectangle tube, and this is the our size 120 by 80 by 8 millimeter. Now let's choose first group. This is the our first group. Okay, we will keep as it is. Just relocate profile and select this corner, so it will go inside and it will not create any trouble. And perfect. Select new group. Now this time select this profile. See, this is also going outside of the wall, so let's relocate the profile. Select this corner. Now see, it's inside the wall. New group. New group means this third line. Let's check. This is, I think, perfectly added. No need to do any relocation. Select OK. Now hide this 3D sketch. Now this is the our bottom support. See, now here is time to create some railing to this one. So we will use here 3D command, 3D sketch command to create the 3D structure. Then we will use go to weldments and use structural member command to make the pipe. So first let's make 3D sketch. Center line. I'll first create here center line. This is the center point, so let's start from here. Second point, this is the reference point only. Third, fourth. Exit. Again choose center line. Select this point and in the arrow direction connect here. Now come down in the arrow direction, connect here. Now the same way put up to this point. come here up to this point, escape, delete, press tab key up to this point. Now from here we have to come down and up to this center point. Just find out where exactly the center point. Exit. Now let's start from here also. Start from this midpoint up to this midpoint, then up to this corner, because this platform in the center mid position, that's why we are going to take this platform, and this one up to here. Delete this relation, take back, select this point and this point, make coincide. That's it. Okay, and we need to, that's fine, we will create railing here. Backside we will not going to create any railing. So let's start. Choose here line and draw a vertical line. Exit. Again choose here line, draw a vertical line along with arrow. Exit. Always go along with arrow. If you go out of arrow it will difficult. Exit. Okay, this one backside is the wall, so we are not going for there. And now select here somewhere. Okay, go along with arrow. Let's create 1 2. Always create on this constructed line 1 2 3, and the last one let's make at the end. Now let's define this one at least. Keep the length 1 meter, means 1000 millimeter. Okay, now it's time to select all the lines, and select the last one, make equal. It's over defined, they are telling. Exit. Let's choose one by one. Maybe we selected some additional dimension. Over defines means whatever we did equal. That's it. Okay, now let's define the, or do one thing, let's connect it. This point and start from this point to this point. Exit. Just delete this one and connect from this point to directly this point. Exit. Better delete this all lines because it is not along with our requirement. Do one thing, click and extend up to, that's it. Again we want to create three or four slot is enough. Select line. Now that's fine. Right, just hide this wall so you will easily view this one. Now it is coincide here. Now let's define the gap. 685.5 millimeter. $847.5 millimeter. This gap also 847.5 millimeter. This one remaining. Let's do one thing. Select this one and choose Y direction. Undo. Select these two line, make relation parallel. Undo. Let's make first this one. No, we can't keep the parallel because okay, let's the same relation. Let's create bottom because there is a step, so definitely it will be striking to them. Due to cancel. This looks better, no need to change anything. Choose here line and select this point. Go along with arrow, exit. Choose one more line and draw any mid. Okay, this is the midpoint. Exit. Now select this line and these two lines also equal. Let's first connect these two lines. These lines equal, delete this lines equal relation because due to step of this small, this line will not be equal. So select this line and the point of this coincide. That's fine. That's it. Choose here line. Go along arrow. Here we forget to add some dimension. $30 millimeter. That's perfect for this. Choose here arrow and here find out the midpoint. That's the midpoint of construction line. Arrow line. Now select this point. Choose here also the line. exit. Now select these 3 lines except the middle one, equal. One meter means 1000 millimeter. Choose your line, connect, exit. Now select this point of the line and this line and make relation coincident. That's fine. Dimension and select this point with this point, 30 millimeter. Now the geometry is fully defined. Select here line, choose midpoint, midline, midline, and midpoint of the line where I don't know, it's okay. Exit. Midpoint, 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 midpoint. You have to connect with all the midpoints because this is central support. That's you have to rotate and exit. Now see, we created our structure with the help of 3D sketch. I hope it's easily visible. Just note down this all dimensions if you are not able to take down. Here you can adjust according to your requirement. I just adjusted according to my requirement. I'll just make 3 or 4 slots here, and that's fine. Now exit. A structural member. I'll choose ISO because we are going to make pipe here. Pipe and size here many 1.5 is schedule 40 thickness. This is the pipe standard is quite different than standard, so I'll choose this one 1.5. Now let's choose first group. First I'll choose 1 2 this group. New group, I'll choose this one 2 3 4. Okay, that's the second group. This pipe we will keep 1.5 inch is scheduled 40. A bottom also, let's select group 1 and this one also up to bottom. Group 2, select this end pipe also with them. Group 1, let's try this end with this strong pipe. Okay, select here okay. Now select this pipe and I'll choose solid color yellow. That's it. A structural member, inches pipe, and 1 inch is scheduled 40. Now it's time to add. First I'll add this all groups, this all vertical lines. Because this is 1 inch pipe. Pipe standard is quite bigger than standard 1 inch. If you will search, you will find out. Select. Okay, one group is enough. Let's make another group. In another group, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so let's create third group. Here one line we forget, we will choose later. Now this one I think comes in group 2. Where is group 2? Group 1. Okay, group 1 is so add in group 1. I think it's let's create a new group and add it. It's now all the pipes are selected. Select OK. Hide this 3D so that it looks better. Now see, this is the our railing, our industrial ladder, or our 90-degree, actually it is 90-degree floor floor ladder. Look how it's look. Even all the joints are here. I think that's enough, no need to do any other modification. Let's try this wall show. Now look at this. Save it. So now this is our simple ladder. You can change this color if you like, but I think it's quite better. Now you can see it here, we changed the color of ladder so it will easily identify it. Now here we will see one more command, gussets. It is very important in between two tubes or two pipes. So let's make gussets. We will fix it here. Select these two faces. Select this one polygon profile, and we will try this one. Let's make bigger. 150 by 150. Keep this one 20 degree 45. That's fine. Thickness 5 millimeter. Keep mid one. That's it. Okay. In the same way, we can make multiple number of gussets here. Choose gussets. Same dimension. Select these two faces. It will automatically appear because we already set the dimension. Okay. Gussets. Let's try inside faces. Okay. At a time, we can do only one. See the preview here. Okay, now let's change this color. That's it, looks appealing. So that's our simple steel ladder. I hope you like it. Actually many people ask me to show some weldment commands, so this is for them. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video. If you have any question, just write down below in comment section. I'll try to answer each and every question. And if you want to any project, if you want to any kind of project, just suggest me, then I'll try to make those kind of projects. Thanks for watching.